Hello, boys and girls. I am Josh at Random, and we're here with Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties, too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the Perfect Pizza Party! You're invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games. Bring your swimsuit. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese.
It's all good.
It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said,
"Pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine."
Pete and the gang were puzzled.
Pretzels?
Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels could be groovy too.
It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party.
Squirrel said,
"Pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine."
Pete and the gang were puzzled.
Pistachios?
Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too.
It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party.
Grumpy Toast said,
Pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios will be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine.
Pete and the gang were puzzled.
Pickles?
Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too.
It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pickle pizza party.
Gus said,
Pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine.
Pete and the gang were puzzled.
Popcorn?
Well, that's something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too.
It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pickle popcorn pizza party.
Alligator said,
Pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine.
Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled.
Papaya?
Well, that's something new, but maybe papaya could be groovy too.
It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pickle popcorn papaya pizza party.
Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high, they had to stop. The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was...
Out of sight, dynamite, just right.
In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. The end. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks, and have an awesome pizza party.